Southeast Asia Human Rights Association today organized a one-day discourse on the topic India the Tiluraba Matungi Manipur at Lamyan Basanglen Palace Compound, Imphal. The event, moderated by UNI Bureau Chief Ningthau Khongjam Satyajit, was attended by social activist R.K. Sanayaima, retired IAS officer Dr. R.K. Nimai, an associate professor of political science at Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Dr. Homen Thangjam, as resource persons. Speaking on the sidelines, R.K. Sanayaima expressed concern that nearly 70% of the population in Manipur still lives in appalling conditions despite the state merging with India for over 76 years. He argued that India's democracy is not fundamentally democratic, citing frequent incidents that should not occur in a democratic setup. Sanayaima also criticized the governance structure in the state, stating that officials appointed by Delhi hold power instead of the elected representatives.
The democracy states on many occasions democratic state respond to the behavior of the repressive state in the state. India democratic they have so many examples. Democracy democracy and democracy as such, there is so many undemocracies, democracy phenomenon of Victoria, and particularly states in the Masamasagi, Magi, majority party, ruling party, and the local decision and low hundred and high command, the leader, whatever, and whereas gone the autonomy of the party, let's say, on tour. India democracy is still Changi with